Hello everyone, I want to welcome you all back to Deriv Killer Strategies, and it's our work to release good strategies for you to milk the market. So this is a all new strategy where you can scalp and you can hold long trades with it. So we say we should give you this. You can grow $20 to $200 in a day. For those who love scalping, this is the best strategy for you. So let's just show you how it works. You can see they got to a point in time when this market broke through our structure and market came back to our zone. But at that point, you are not going to buy until you get a confirmation that it has crossed our trend detector. Then you can enter a buy, and stop loss will just be under the zone. So after which you can still go to a lower time frame to catch sniper entries. You can go to 5 minutes, you can go to 15 minutes to catch sniper entries. So after now, you can see the market broke through this our structure. Immediately broke through this our structure, this our demand zone. Automatically demand zone, it broke through our supply zone rather. Automatically the supply zone turned into the demand zone. So you can see the market has gotten to our supply zone, and it has been ranging for a couple of days now. So let's go to our 15 minutes and see if we can catch something with that. Okay, this is our 15 minutes time frame. You can see the market went up, broke through our structure. So for us to enter, we just have to wait for it to come back to our 1 hour low. This is automatically our it is now our demand zone. You can see the market came back to our demand zone, after which before you enter, you wait for it to cross our rollers. Our rollers gave you a confirmation here that you should buy. There's a confirmation here to buy, and you can see our trend line here. There's a confirmation, but we don't use this, so wait for the rollers to give you a confirmation to buy. So you can see from here, you can enter a buy, and you can set a take profit to this trend line level and to our 4 hours high. You can see, after which the market, because it is a ranging market, the market started coming down. So the market started coming down. It broke our structure. So if you want to, I will not advise you to sell this, but those that want to sell, you can go to a lower time frame and pick up a short sell. You can see the market has come back to our 30 minutes high. So you can see the rollers here give us a short entry coming back into this zone, but the market is actually bullish, so I will not advise you to sell. So I will advise you to look for buy opportunities. Like here, you can see this is our trend line, this is our trend line, this is another point for us to actually buy. So from here, you can wait for a confirmation from the rollers. Once the rollers gives us something like this, you can see something like this, a confirmation, and it crosses our trend detector. And then for our trend signal, you can see our trend signal here. Let me show you something. You can see by now our trend signal have actually changed color. You can see this. Our trend signal has actually changed color. You can see our trend signal here. That's actually changed color. So it is at 50, telling you that it is a good confirmation to actually buy. That's how so many persons were able to enter this market at this point and enter this buy onto this level. So you can see now our trend signal is giving us a confirmation that it is sell. It is a downtrend. This is sell. So, and our rulers has not given us any confirmation. So I will advise you to wait until you get something like this. It has crossed the trend detector. Once it crosses the trend detector, then the rollers will give you a confirmation. Then you can continue your buy. It's as easy as that. Same thing happened here. Let's check our jump 10. And so our jump 10 has actually been falling, but it got to a point when the market came to our 4 hours high. So this is our supply zone. Then the market, after then the market but you will not enter. This was a clear confirmation when the rollers gave you a confirmation to sell. So you can just enter here and set your stop loss right above here. There now. After which you can see the long drop. You can set here as your take profit. And if you check very well here, you can see our this at this point, this was when our trend detector, our trend signal rather, changed color, telling you that the market was actually a bearish market. It was actually a bearish market. This was when the rollers gave you a confirmation to buy. Because it was at this point the rollers gave you confirmation to buy. So if you have bought from here, you can set your take profit to the nearest 4 hours high. You understand? So from here you can see this was when the trend detector and the rollers, because they work hand in hand. So you can, from here you can set your take profit to this point here, or you can just go to the nearest demand zone. You can see this is our demand zone. So you can see the rollers now actually give you a confirmation to sell. You understand? Because if you note here, this market came to this supply, because it is a very strong downtrend. It came to this demand zone, went back to mitigate this our supply zone, so it could not break through. So the market from here came down to is going to make a new low. So this structure is going to be broken. So since rollers has given you this, you can just set your stop loss right above here, and you can enter the sell, and you can set your take profits to the nearest zone. So our take profit can be somewhere here, this 1 hour low. You set your take profit for this one. From this point you can make your take profit. So that's just it. So you can still go, you can decide to go to a lower time frame to refine this entry. Let's go to our 15 minutes and see. So you can see on our 15 minutes, you can see it went back into our supply zone. You can see it went into our supply zone. This is our this was our supply zone. This was our supply zone. This was our supply zone. And you can see this is our 30 minutes high, and this is our supply zone. So from here you can see the market has started going down. So that's just it. So you can set your take profit to the nearest, because this zone is going to break definitely. You can see it's still dropping. So you can set you can go below. You can see this is our daily low. This is our daily zone, our daily low. So you can set your take profit to be this at this zone. So from here to this point, you know you have made lots and lots of profits. You can see this. So that's just it. So thanks for watching. This is our new strategy. So if you want to get it, you can contact us. Have a lovely day. Thank you.